The inspiration came from nightlife, seeing disposable income spent at bottle service, and then seeing plastic water bottles right next to expensive champagne bottles. Millions and millions of dollars are being spent on nightlife and bottle service, and we just thought, what if we could just send a little bit over to help some people in need? $2.2 billion people lack access to safe, clean water. And that's 1 in 3, and that doesn't sit well with us. Everyone deserves access to safe, clean water. When dealing with international partners, just from our mobile device, we're able to send a document over, have it signed, and sent back to us in just minutes. We're told to wash our hands all the time now. If you don't have clean water to drink, to bathe, to cook with, then you probably don't have clean water to wash your hands. Our goal at 100 for All is to continue to find new and innovative partnerships to help fundraise to provide our clean water solutions.